Hello and welcome to another video, guys. So in today's ITTO video, we will talk about the most important input tools, techniques and outputs from the topic quality management of PMBOK Edition 6. Okay. And like every other video, we will focus on the most important 20% of the ITTOs that will generate 80% of the questions from the ITTO topics in the PMP exam. To provide you a bit of perspective, guys, if you see the quality management ITTOs from the three processes of plan quality, manage quality, and control quality, you will see that there are 96 ITTOs that PMBOK has mentioned in the standard. Okay. Now, here is what I promise, that after watching today's video, those 96 ITTOs will come down to only 10 ITTOs that you need to remember for your PMP exam as far as it comes to the topic of quality management. Okay, that's smart enough, right? So make sure you watch this video right till the end. Hi everyone, I am Ray and I'm a PMP certified project manager. The tips and strategies that I share in this channel are exactly the same ones that were used by me to pass my PMP exam in the first attempt. So if you want to know more about my PMP journey, so there is a link in the description box. Go ahead and check the link where I have discussed in details on how I made my study plan, how I managed time, what were my personal strategies and tips to pass the exam, etc, etc. So make sure you check the link in the description box. Now with that, let's jump right onto the quiz. So the rules of the quiz, guys. Today's topic will be ITTOs on quality management. Questions will come as usual as flashcards. Number of questions will be 10 and these are the only 10 ITTOs which you need to remember out of the 96 ITTOs from the topic quality management. Okay. You will have about 15 seconds to think of an answer, and after that the slide will flip and you will see the explanations after every slide. And in the end, this quiz will provide you a score analysis in terms of your preparation level so that you can focus on your areas of weakness. Okay, so are you ready? Now, like every time, I have an audio version for you guys only, so whenever you are driving or working out in the gym, you will be able to listen to this audio quiz as well. Okay, so let's start with question number 1 from the topic quality management ITTOs. What is the input in the process plan quality management which provides the acceptance criteria for the deliverables in terms of quality? Answer: scope baseline. The WBS along with the deliverables documented in the project scope statement are considered while determining which quality standards and objectives are suitable for the project. Check the slide for more details. ITTO question number 2. What is the tool and technique in the process plan quality management which associates costs in buckets such as prevention costs, appraisal costs, and failure costs? Cost of quality. The optimal cost of quality is the one that reflects the appropriate balance for investing in the cost of prevention and appraisal to avoid failure costs. Now here is an important tip, guys. Remember this picture from PMBOK Edition 6 on cost of conformance and cost of non-conformance. So read this topic very well and you can expect at least a couple of questions in the PMP exam from this topic. ITTO question number 3. What is the output in the process plan quality management which describes a project or product attribute and how the control quality process will verify compliance to it? The answer: quality metrics. Some examples of quality metrics include percentage of tasks completed on time, cost performance measured by CPI, failure rate, number of defects identified per day, total downtime per month, errors found per line of code, etc. ITTO question number 4. What is the output in the process plan quality management which describes the quality tools that will be used in the project? The answer: quality management plan. The quality management plan is a component of the project management plan that describes how applicable policies, procedures, and guidelines will be implemented to achieve the quality objectives. This includes the use of quality tools as well. If you're liking this video guys, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. That way I remain motivated to bring such videos to you guys regularly. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. ITTO question number 5. What is the tools and techniques in the process manage quality, which is depicted below in the picture and is used for root cause analysis? The answer, cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagrams are also known as fishbone diagrams, YY diagrams, or Ishikawa diagrams. These type of diagram breaks down the cause of the problem statement into discrete branches, helping to identify the main root cause of the problem. ITTO question number 6. What is the tools and techniques in the process manage quality which is used to organize potential causes of defects into groups showing areas that should be focused on the most? The answer, affinity diagram. Affinity diagrams can organize potential causes of defects into groups showing areas that should be focused on the most. A sample picture is provided below. Check the slide for more details. ITTO question number 7. What is the output in the process manage quality which provides information to processes and departments to take corrective actions in order to achieve the project quality expectations? The answer, quality reports. The quality reports can be graphical, numerical, or qualitative. The information provided can be used by other processes and departments to take corrective actions in order to achieve the project quality expectations. ITTO question number 8. What is the tools and techniques in the process control quality which checks whether a process is stable or has a predictable performance over time? The answer, control charts or run charts. Control charts or run charts are used to determine whether or not a process is stable or has predictable performance. Control charts come with upper specification limits and lower specification limits for a particular variable. ITTO question number 9. What is the output in the process control quality which documents the results of this process in the format specified by quality management plan? The answer, quality control measurements. These are the actual data along with baseline comparisons, which is one of the key outputs of control quality process. They should be captured in the format that was specified in the quality management plan. ITTO question number 10, and this is very important guys. What is the most important output in the process control quality which determines the correctness of the deliverables? The answer, verified deliverables. A goal of the control quality process is to determine the correctness of deliverables. The results of performing the control quality process are verified deliverables that become an input to the validate scope process for a formalized acceptance. Now, before we end this quiz, guys, a very important flowchart that you need to remember. If you see here, these three processes are very important and they are interlinked. Okay, so control quality, as we talked, has an output which is the verified deliverables. The verified deliverables forms an input to the validate scope process in the scope management. The validate scope process has an output which is called the accepted deliverables. Be very careful with the terms here. So this accepted deliverables goes as input to the close project or phase process, and that again comes as an output for the final report or closure. So this input output chain is very important guys, and you remember that verified deliverables is an output of the control quality, which is an input to the validate scope, and accepted deliverables is an output of the validate scope process. So this can be a bit confusing, and this is very important for your PMP exam, so make sure you take a note of that. Okay, so that's the result of the quiz guys. So see the action plans and plan your preparation strategy accordingly. I hope today's video was useful and I added some value to your preparation by squeezing down the list of the 96 ITTOs from quality management to only 10. Remember this 10 and I am sure that you will do well in your PMP exam in terms of ITTOs from quality management. Thank you for watching today and I'll see you again in another awesome video like this very soon. Okay, bye bye.